I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a jewelry box DIY. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you don't want to hear the backstory, you can start here. So a few days ago, I was on the Zara Home website, which I just discovered, by the way, and I came across these beautiful mesh boxes. I had so many ideas of what I was gonna do with these boxes, so I threw it in my cart, and as I was about to pay for it, it was sold out. I was a bit bummed out, but of course you get over it. Then I was at IKEA doing some regular shopping, and I came across these very similar, beautiful gray mesh boxes. This is it right here. Let me grab them real quick. And I was like, thank you, because I already knew what I was gonna do with them. So let me put them down really quickly. So I am currently working on my office closet, and if you haven't already watched the series She Rescued It, where I showed the tour, the budget, and I'm actually currently working on showing you guys the process before the big reveal, and I'll leave all those links below and I'll let you know when the next one is coming out. I wanted to add a jewelry box to my closet because since I'll be having a mirror in that closet, I want to also be able to put on my jewelry as I'm getting dressed or after I've gotten dressed. So I wanted a jewelry box. So in the beginning, I was going to create the jewelry box and then I was just going to buy a jewelry box. I came across a lot of beautiful ones on the H&M website. And I came across these and decided to go ahead and just do a DIY, create my very own, which is even the reason why I'm creating this video. So with that said, here are the materials and supplies you need. Okay, so step one. So the first thing you need to do is to create some templates. So the reason for the templates is because you will be adding an insert to these boxes. The reason being is because you want your jewelry to sit on something and not just on the aluminum or the metal box. You don't want them to, scratch or move around. So creating inserts will minimize that. So I have created some templates and I will leave a link below to those templates. So all you have to do is just cut them out. Or if you want to create your own templates using your own measurements, here are the DIMs on the screen. So once you have your templates cut out, the first thing you're gonna do is take your cardboard out and place the smaller templates on the cardboard. We're gonna call that template 1. You're gonna place those small templates, template 1, on your cardboard. You're gonna trace it and cut it out. Once you've cut that out, you can put them aside. And then you're gonna take the larger templates, so template number 2, and place them on your fabric. The reason why I'm using velvet is because every time I come across a jewelry box or jewelry organizer, they usually use velvet or something similar like felt as an insert. So I wanted to make sure that I kind of flowed along with that idea. Plus, velvet just kind of looks more luxurious and sleek. So after you place your templates, the larger ones, on your fabric, trace it and then cut it out as well. So by this time you have 2 different cutouts. You have one using your cardboard and then another using your fabric. So once everything is cut out, it's now time to glue them together. You're going to take template 2 or the cutouts and you're going to place your cardboard cutouts on top of the fabric cutouts. And what you'll notice is the fabric is larger than the cardboard cutout. This is because you'll be gluing the edges of the fabric and gluing them or pressing them down onto the cardboard, creating something like this. So once that's done, you can actually take it a bit further and you can cut out another circle and another square-ish shape and then glue that on top of the unfinished cardboard, creating a very clean insert. So whether you flip it up or down, it looks clean. It looks as if you purchased it. So once your inserts are done, you're gonna set them aside, and now we're gonna focus on your boxes. As I mentioned before, the Zara Home website boxes were black, so mine will be black. Outside of that, I just love black accessories. I love black everything. So as you can see in my shirt, so I will be spray painting mine black. You can use any spray paint you want. This is the one I'm using. I love this brand. It's inexpensive. And I'm gonna spray paint it and let it sit for about 3 to 5 hours. You can even let it sit overnight just to make sure it dries completely. So once everything is done, you can now take your inserts and place them inside the box, and then you can place your jewelry inside the box or on top of the insert, and then you are done. Yes, look how beautiful they look. You can even take it a step further and add some embellishments, some jewelry, some feathers, whatever you want on top of both lids, and then you're done. I really love this DIY. I can't wait to use it in my closet once it's done. But for now, they'll be sitting either on my nightstand or on my dresser. So let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in seeing more DIY projects. I love creating organizing products, and if you're interested, I'd love to show you guys so much more organizing products that I've either created or that I will be or want to create. So let me know, let me know. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.